loosening the 12 screws of the Mangala collet. So it'll first loosened. If you have the special tool, you can already loosen. It'll loosened. Then you can replace the tool. Move the disc clamp. Move the disc clamp, right? Now, with the number 8 wrench, we'll remove the screw that holds the brake pads. So it's pretty easy, right? You can also use the ratchet side if you prefer. I'll pull here and it comes out. Now we'll remove the brake pads. Pad. This marking indicator. Have it. How do we reset it to the initial position? We're going to put this part here, okay? And we're going to take the pad. Let's get some call this a sergeant, but it's actually a spring compressor, okay? We'll do this gradually. Many people use a screwdriver. That's not correct, okay? It will retract. You retract a bit, hold, retract a bit, hold, retract a bit, hold, retract a bit, hold. And it goes back to the start. See, retract it, I can remove it, it'll be there. At the starting point. Now you can add the new brake pads, okay? This one still has some life, I'll leave it in place, right? We clean if needed, and we put here. Then we'll insert the pin, right? Insert the pin. Got it? Just like we removed it. After placing the pads and inserting the screw, right? That holds the pads. We'll now install it on the disc. So you can put it there. There. Now we'll put in the screws. After we've attached the brake cable, right? Number 2 key, we'll use the torque wrench. With the correct force specified in the manual, we'll tighten until it clicks. There, 3 kilograms. You can pull. Dog. Perfect. It's done. That's it. This was another brake lesson, right? Checking and replacing brake pads if necessary. See you in the next lesson.